Yo, how would you like to make $500 fast even if you're broke? Well, today I'm going to show you a technique that you can use to start making money, making that $500 even as a broke kid. All right, so stay tuned to this video. All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to make $500 fast even if you're broke. All right, so anybody can do this. College kid, high school kid, adult, whoever can do this method. And this is going to be a skill that I teach you today that is going to make you money if you apply it. All right, so before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. If you have any questions about this content, please post it below. And if you do subscribe, hit I subscribed in the comments and I will reply. All right. And my channel, what it's about is make money online. It's about internet digital affiliate marketing. It's about taking you through the journey to hit that laptop lifestyle so you can gain the freedom you need to make life better. All right. So let's get on with today's video and I'm going to show you how to make $500 fast even when you're broke. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump over here to Facebook. Yeah, you're all probably like, oh shit, some Facebook ads or something. But no, this is pretty cool, all right? So what I'm going to be teaching you today is how to go out to local businesses in your area, all right? So we're going to go to facebook.com places. So what this is like a search engine for businesses in whatever city you're going to, all right? So we're just going to use let's use Arlington, Virginia. All right. So I'm just using some place near myself. So Arlington, Virginia. And it's going to bring up people, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to put restaurants, Arlington, Virginia. All right. So we get a list of restaurants in Arlington, Virginia. All right. So we're going to say places, and it's going to give us a huge list of restaurants. All right. So what we're doing, we're going to look for accounts that aren't verified. All right. So you're going to scroll down here. You can see all kinds of restaurants. It don't have to be a restaurant, guys. It could be a plumber. It could be painter. It could be any business. All right. Any business you can think of. All right. So just for instance, we could put plumbers. Let's put plumbers in here. What this is going to do is going to bring up plumbers in that area, right? So Chandler's Plumbing and Heating. Let's click on this one real quick. And what we do, we come over here, and what we're doing is we're looking for businesses that don't have a check mark beside their names. All right. So some of these businesses will be verified and some won't. Usually the big ones will be verified and the littler ones will not. All right. So what we do, we come in here and we look for unverified accounts. All right. This account's verified. Tri-State Plumbing. Chandler's Plumbing doesn't look like it's been verified, all right? Because it's showing me an unofficial page and it's asking me if is this your business, all right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through all these listings, right? And we're gonna offer uh, a solution to these guys' problem here, all right? So what is their problem? Their problem is they don't get a public rating, so people don't trust them when they're looking for a plumber, all right? So they go to Chandler's Plumbing and Heating, and they get to this site, and it's got one review, and it don't have hardly any information about them, what is going on, right? So they need a Facebook like page. They need to verify that this is their business, right? So they can say it is us, all right? They need to put in some more information. They need to put in a cover page. They need some optimization on their page. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to say, you know what, I'm going to contact these guys. So we're going to make a listing. We're going to do this. This is a numbers game, guys. So the more people that we get to do this, and we're giving them $100 package. All right, so what we're doing, we're gonna say, okay, what we're gonna do for you is we're gonna get your account verified on Facebook, so more people can see you and review your business and start to like, know, and trust you. All right. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna verify their page. We're gonna optimize their page for them, and all that means is we're gonna go through. We're gonna fill out their page with their address, their hours, a short description of what they are, you know, all the things you fill out on a like page, all right? Then what we're going to do after that, we're going to see if there's any pixels on their sites. And we're just going to say, okay, there is room to be optimized for your Facebook site. All right. So so the two things we're going to be doing mainly, or three things, we're going to optimize their Facebook page. We're going to verify their account so they have a Facebook account. And we're going to make their account nice with a nice cover image. All right. So those are the three things we're going to do, and we're going to do them for $100. All right. So this is how we're going to make the money. All right. We're going to do $100. We're going to verify their accounts. We're going to create a Facebook cover page, and we're going to optimize their account. So when people search, they'll actually get information. They can start reviewing them as a business, and they can start bringing in more clientele. Now, what this could do is possibly give us an upsell, right? So what this could do is, how about if we charge you $100 every month to drive traffic to your like page and increase your likes on your page? All right. So we could charge anywhere from $100 to $300 a month to drive traffic with ads and other things to get a certain amount of likes every month to their page, right? We could be like, we'll drive 50 likes to your page for $150 a month, all right? Or whatever that would be. So that's just an upsell, what we could get from that first $100. All right. So what are we doing with that first $100? We're going to, let's list it here. All right. One, create Facebook cover. Create Facebook cover. All right. Two, the second thing we're going to do, we're going to verify their account. Three, we're going to optimize their page. All right. These three things are going to net us. These three things are going to net us $100. We're going to do this service for $100. All right. So we're going to do these three things, and we're going to ask them for $100. So you think any business is willing to give you $100 if you can give them more traffic to their Facebook page, is going to bring customers to them, right? How much is a customer worth to that plumber? All right. So this is pretty good because this is going to pay them over and over and over and over just by doing these couple simple steps. And this is very easy. And so one thing I'm going to tell you what to do is, for this Facebook cover, we're going to run over to Fiverr.com, right? So we're going to run over to Fiverr.com, and we're going to say, you know what? We're going to open up a Facebook. We need a Facebook cover page, all right? Facebook cover. And there's going to be tons of people here, right? Facebook cover design starting at $5. So for $5, we can get them to create a design for us for that plumber in 2 days delivery. All right. So we don't even have to make a page. We can just pay them $5, and then we got a $95 straight up profit in our hands. All right. So that's what we're going to do with that $100. All right. We're going to create the Facebook cover, verify the account, and optimize their page. And optimizing their page is very simple. We're just gathering all the information from the business. where they're located, what their phone number is, what their hours are, uh, what services they offer, um, a short description of what they do, just the typical stuff on their page, right? So today, guys, I walked you through how to get real life stuff here, right? So this is real shit. This is real stuff, right? Here's another one, Arlington Plumbers. These are just plumbers. You could do this with anything. This, look, is this your business? They don't have their things. All they have is a website linked, right? So they need to have a Facebook page. So you got all these people, they don't have Facebook pages. So why not go after them, right? So that's what I have for the day. Hopefully you got some value out of this. And guys, this is just something I just threw together real quick. And you can do this with anything. Just think of how big this is, right? You could do this anywhere. You can call number after number after number. If you can get one person a day to say yes, that's $100 a day that you're making. That's $700 a week. If you could just sit there all day and try to find 5 people a day, that'd be $500 a day that you earn over and over and over. You can keep doing this, right? And I'm sure it'll get easier and easier as you do this. So hopefully you got some value from this content. I'm not going to waste no more of your time. This was just something I found that was pretty cool, and I hope that you will take massive action and put this to use. All right. So again, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Welcome back. For those that aren't new, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit it yet. All right. Give me some likes, give me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see in the future. If you have any questions, post it below and I will reply. All right. So again, guys, this content is made for you so you can start making money today. All right. So each time you do this, this is $100. So you do this 5 times a week. You could go through and make a list of 20 numbers and probably call 20 numbers a day, and you come up with a freaking one business a day, giving you that $100. And in 5 days, you can have $500 in your pocket. All right. And this stuff would only take you a couple hours to do. It probably only take you an hour to do this work. All right. I mean, you're outsourcing the Facebook cover. You're verifying their account. That's just click and verify and telling them they're going to get a phone call saying it's them. And then you're going to optimize their page with the information that they give you. That's it. Bang. Plain and simple. And what that's going to do, it may also give you a customer that you can sell. Hey, I can do Facebook ads for you and drive traffic to this Facebook page for you. All right. So again, guys, peace out. I hope you got some value. I will see you on the video tomorrow. And as always, catch you on the other side.